Hey, so today I'm not doing one review. I'm gonna do a sum up of three very popular headsets. Got the AirPods Pro, and the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, or the Beans as I'm gonna call them for quickness, and the Jabra 75T Active Elites. First come first is the form, fit and comfort. So if you look at the Jabras, they've gone for from the 65T, they've retained the design, just made it smaller and lighter. They fit really well, really snug, connect quickly, and I've been for runs with them and they don't really fall out. It's fairly futuristic, although they jut out just a little bit. Then you have the AirPods Pro, which started the stem design and they've stuck with it, modifying it even more, giving it a little more curve, more streamlined, but the stem stays. And then you've got the Samsung Beans, which I think just win this right out of the case, because just look at that. They connect beautifully and they're really the most comfortable earpiece I've ever worn. So if I give them marks on this, in this area, I think these get a 10 on 10. AirPods and Jabra are tied at 9 on 10, so they're both comfortable but not as comfortable as these. Next comes the sound quality, and in this I think all three of them have great sound. In that premium segment, it sounds by AKG, but lacks the grunge that I used to find in the original Samsung Galaxy Buds, which even the Buds Plus was missing, and this one's even more refined, but it's got a nice wide range. This has great sound, again wide range, but it works fantastically with Apple devices. Maybe falls a bit when using with something else like an Android. And these have great sound, but also a lot of volume, and just if you want to crank it up and still keep the sound with you, I think Jabras are a good choice. So 9 on 10 across the board on sound quality. Now comes noise isolation, and this is a tricky one. So just the top one first, this is the best noise isolation I've ever chanced upon or experienced in earphones or in Buds format. They are so good. They have 2 levels of transparency, otherwise you will literally not even hear the wind around you. They're that good. Jabras on the other hand do not have noise cancellation. They're not ANC equipped. They are noise isolating, which means the seal is strong enough to cut out external sounds, and you have through the app a hear through facility to allow some sound in. It feels a bit unnatural, but it works fine. I think it's on the whole they've done a good job. And then come the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, which claimed active noise cancellation, and I wish they did not, because there is nothing of that sort on this. You would have to be in a silent room to figure out if the ANC is actually on or off, and even then I barely think it works. So marks over there, 10 on 10 to the Apple, 9 on 10 to the Jabra, and a 3 on 10 for a dismal product on noise cancellation, at least on the Beans. Finally comes the functions. Well, the AirPods work with the stem, so you press the stem for long or short pauses to get things to happen there, and I think it's fairly intuitive, works really fine, and even if you're sweating or running, I think it's easy to operate. The Jabras actually have a button here, which I think is really good, because unlike a touch when you're running or sweating that can change the functions, a press actually, which is tactile, gives you a little more control, and they're just the right amount of pressure so you don't end up pushing the bud in, and they work just fine. These on the other hand, although they employ a touch panel on top, I think it's fairly well tuned out, and for most parts it works well. The only problem it happens is that when you start sweating, sometimes it'll start changing things on its own, and you may not like that as much. So for me, the volume went up and down on one run just because I was sweating over the buds. Jabra has a really good app, and it's got great functionality to how to fine tune them. You can in fact tune the sound bespoke to your ears, and that's a never before feature. It's really good. The AirPods also again have a fantastic app, and if you're in the Mac universe, they connect so seamlessly all the time. That is beautiful. This one, they have an app, but honestly that app feels more like a copy paste of the other two, so they could work a little more on making it a little more genuine and unique. For the time being, it's not bad, but it's not great either. So for functionality, I give Jabra a 9 on 10, 8 on 10, 5 on 10. Now comes the battery. Again, across the board is fantastic. They all have great battery life. I think the Samsung outdoes them a bit, but I think that's because their ANC is not that strong, and on the whole the volume was also a little weaker. But I'd give them a 9 on 10, 8 on 10, and this one a 9 on 10. But in terms of battery, they're all out there. Great, about 6 hours on the Buds, and about 25 to 29 hours on the case. That's fantastic. What about the other pros and cons? Well, I love the Jabras because of their seal and fit, of course, but also like the fact that they have dust and water resistance, which is very good, and the fact they connect to 2 devices at the same time, which is very useful when you're working and have calls, or you want to be Netflix binging and have calls. Apple connects to 2 devices as well, better in the Mac universe, in the Apple universe than outside of it, but you could use them with Android. You'll lose some functionality, but I think that's that's about all right. These ones only connect with one device and they're not even water resistant, and I think that's just not acceptable. I wish they work because they're fantastic and I want to use them all the time, but not having all these features sort of makes me limit them. A single device connectivity today is very passe. We need to improve on that. So on the whole, which one do you think is the best? Well, I've been using all three, and I think if you're in the Apple universe, then there is no option but you have to get these. You just have to cough it up, save up for them and get them, because they are the best you will ever get. Right? If you're not in the Apple universe, if you're in the Android world, then you've got choices. You want to look futuristic and cool and funky, then Samsung Beans are the ones to rock. And sorry Samsung, I keep calling them Beans. Otherwise, if you want reliability, functionality and durability, then you go for the Jabras and you will not be disappointed. Call quality across the board is fantastic, but at the end of the day, it all comes down to price. So 20k, 15k, 14k, around that point, and which phone or which OS you use. So do let me know which one you eventually end up picking up. And yes, this is what they look like. This is the form. They're all really good on the whole, but they all have their pros and cons. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and let me know which one are you putting your money on. Cheers.